Welcome to Festive Phrases from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Mark, and each day of December I'm bringing you a festive phrase in a different language. Today I'm with Şebnem because we're learning Turkish.
Merhaba, benim adım Şebnem. Nasılsın Mark?
Çok iyiyim Şebnem.
I'm very well, thanks, Şebnem. Okay, you've probably associated Turkey with the festive season before, but we're not talking about the food. Today we're talking about the country and the language because we're learning Turkish. Şebnem is going to teach us how to say Happy New Year in Turkish. Now, Turkish is spoken in Turkey, and it's also an official language in Cyprus. There are many people speaking Turkish in Bulgaria and parts of Eastern Europe, including Kosovo and Macedonia. On Festive Phrases, we've spoken about language families a few times, but Turkish doesn't belong to any of the families that we've already looked at. It's part of the Turkic, or larger Altaic group of languages, and some people believe that Turkish is distantly related to Japanese. It will sound a little bit different to you. Şebnem, can you tell us how you would say Happy New Year in Turkish?
Mutlu yıllar.
You can probably see that one of the letters in this phrase looks like an I without the dot. And that's a letter that's only used in Turkic languages. Listen again to how Şebnem says Happy New Year in Turkish and repeat after her.
Mutlu yıllar.
Okay, it's time to add our Turkish speakers to the map of the world. There are over 50 million Turkish speakers, and if we add these to the speakers of the other languages we've already looked at on Festive Phrases, our grand total for today is 1,817,457,886 people around the world to whom you can wish a festive greeting. That's all for today. We'll be staying in the East again tomorrow with Ukrainian. But for now, thanks and goodbye.
Teşekkür ederim. Güle güle.
Festive Phrases is brought to you by the Radiolingua Network. If you would like to find out more about learning a language anytime, anywhere with Radiolingua, please visit our website on radiolingua.com. To find out about our workshops and products for schools, please visit radiolinguaschools.com.